Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to make Jamaican beef patty. First and foremost, big up Father God, oh yeah. Now I am going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make the Jamaican beef patty. So this is the ground beef I'm going to use. I'm going to use all-purpose flour. For the coloring, I'm going to use egg powder. Here, I have 2 stalks scallion strap. Here I have 1 small Scotch bonnet pepper chop. Here 1 small onion chop. Half of a green sweet pepper chop. Here I have some cherry tomatoes chop. You don't have to use cherry tomatoes. I have 3 clove garlic chop. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon fresh thyme. Also I'm going to use some breadcrumbs, some paprika. I'm going to use black pepper, some pimento, which is allspice, ground pimento. I'm going to use ketchup, 1 tablespoon sugar. I'm going to use some soy sauce. I'm going to use some beef fat, some sea salt. Also, I'm going to use butter, and I will also list the ingredients below the video. I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to add half teaspoon sea salt. I'm going to add half cup of cold butter. I'm going to add half cup of beef fat. If you cannot get the beef fat, you can just use 1 cup butter. Now I'm going to use 1 tablespoon egg powder. So I'm going to use ice water to form the dough. So you want to make sure the butter and the beef fat rub out evenly in the flour. Now I'm going to add the water liquor by liquor. So I think it need a little bit more egg powder, but I'm going to leave it right here, so not going to put no more egg powder in it. So this is the dough. Now I'm going to put the dough inside the fridge for 35 minutes. Now I'm going to cook the filling for the beef patties. Two tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to start off by sauteing the onions. Now I'm going to add the chopped garlic. Now I'm going to add the sweet pepper. Add the thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper. Now add tomatoes, scallions, so I'm just cooking them on low heat for 5 to 8 minutes just for them to release the flavor, not to make them burn. Now I'm going to add the beef. Mixing everything. Up half teaspoon sea salt, half teaspoon black pepper, a pinch of allspice, 1 teaspoon paprika, now I'm going to allow the ground beef to cook before I add the rest of ingredients. Now I'm going to add 1 cup beef broth. Turn up the stove. 1 tablespoon soya sauce. 1 tablespoon ketchup. Mix everything together. Now I'm going to allow it to cook for 5 more minutes before I add the breadcrumbs. Okay, now I'm going to add the breadcrumbs. And this is plain breadcrumbs, okay? Now while it cooks, I'm going to blend it a little bit. You don't want to blend it too much. So that's how you want your patty filling to look. Look at that. So now I'm going to turn off the stove. Going to leave it on the stove to cool down. So this is how the dough look after 35 minutes. I'm going to grate some butter on it, and this is cold butter. Now the filling cool down. Going to add about half a cup. Going to foil. So this is the beef patty. Now I'm going to bore 3 holes on each one of them, just for them to not burst open when they're baking. Okay, so I have my oven preheated at 375 degrees. Now I'm going to put the patty them to bake for 30 minutes. Okay, it is already 30 minutes. Time to take the patty them out the oven. Got this. Okay, so here you have it. Jamaican beef patty. I'm going to eat this one. It's hot. Mmm. So good. Nice and tasty. Thank you so much to watch this video to the end. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.